Hello, everyone, and welcome to this week's financial review. This past week, global financial markets marched forward through a blend of geopolitical fog and a tech frenzy. While shifting tensions sent oil prices on a wild roller coaster ride, Wall Street hit historic milestones, fueled by a powerful corporate earnings season. First, looking at overseas markets. Last week, the S&P 500 made history by surpassing the 7,000-point mark for the first time. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite, led by the semiconductor sector, secured a 13-session winning streak, its longest since 2013. The Philadelphia Semiconductor Index surged over 4% on Friday alone. Despite lingering geopolitical anxieties, robust earnings have acted as a market anchor, with Q1 profits for S&P 500 companies projected to grow by 14%. It's clear that massive investments in AI infrastructure are finally translating into bottom-line results. Turning to China, the policy front continues to signal optimism. The National Development and Reform Commission, NDRC, has allocated 606.5 billion yuan for dual-heavy construction projects, providing a solid foundation for steady growth in the second quarter. In the capital markets, the A-share market showed distinct structural trends. Despite some index volatility, sectors like coal, electronics, and petrochemicals performed strongly. Notably, AI computing giant Victory Giant Technology surged over 50% on its Hong Kong debut, boosting confidence in Chinese hard tech going global. Furthermore, the global influence of Chinese automotive brands continues to rise, with the number of brands entering the global top 100 now ranking first in the world. The commodities market was nothing short of volatile last week. Influenced by ceasefire expectations in the Strait of Hormuz, WTI crude at one point suffered a 9% single-day crash. However, as negotiations stalled, oil prices narrowed their losses by the weekend, hovering back near the $100 per barrel mark. In the Forex market, the US dollar index remained dominant. The USD-JPY pair approached the 160 level, triggering intense global scrutiny over potential intervention by Japanese authorities. Looking ahead to next week, all eyes will be on the Federal Reserve's upcoming policy meeting, alongside highly anticipated earnings from tech giants like Apple. Will the market continue its breakout, or will it seek support amidst the volatility? We will keep a close watch. That's all for this week's review. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.